I've started the streaming now. Okay. So if somebody comes, then we'll see. So the other day when we were doing this quiz, you wrote down ultraviolet rays. For whom? Which animal can see ultraviolet rays?
Ma'am, bees.
Bees can see. So, but what are ultraviolet rays is what I wanted to explain to you. Oops, what happened? We'll watch it on YouTube. 1 second. Let it
Grammarly
start.
can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have to slow down at work.
Okay. So we'll watch
Hi,
this
I'm
video.
Emerald Robinson. In this What Is video, we're going to take a closer look at the electromagnetic spectrum.
So
What
what
we
are
see
we
as light is only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum refers to the many types of radiation released from stars, including our own sun. Electromagnetic radiation travels in waves. Frequency describes how many waves per second a wavelength produces.
This is too fast. Let me explain it to you very slowly. Okay. First thing is electromagnetic spectrum. What is she talking about? Let's write it. What's the date today? 11/11/21. So what are we talking about? Electromagnetic waves. So what are these waves, or we can also call it spectrum. So what are these waves? These are all the waves that come from, all waves coming to the earth from other planets and stars. Other stars, we can say. So for example, light waves are coming from, where do the light waves come from? Sun. Then what, we also have heat waves. How does so they also come from the sun. Okay, so now all these waves which come, our eyes can see only light waves. We cannot see, so what does, and within the light waves also it can see, do you know what this is? VIBGYOR. Light waves are white in color, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the white waves are made of these colors, VIBGYOR. So all these other colors that we see, which is violet, indigo,
blue, gray, yellow,
green, yellow,
orange and red.
Yes. So all these are all these together form the white light. Okay? The white light which we see of the sun. So only when some object reflects any of these colors, then we see that color. If it is reflecting blue, then we see blue color. If it is reflecting violet, we see violet. And our eyes are capable of seeing only the white light. Now we will go and see what other electromagnetic waves are there. So this is just one, and beyond the violet is the ultraviolet spectrum, ultraviolet waves, and below the red is the infrared rays. Okay? So these all are parts of the electromagnetic waves or the electromagnetic spectrum. And in that question, the options were X-rays, microwaves. So I thought I'll just explain to you very shortly, very simply, what all these are. Okay? so that you should have some knowledge about it. It should not just be rectification. Okay, ultraviolet, B is ultraviolet, B is ultraviolet. That is not how it should be. Okay. So I don't think I'll show you this one. I'll show you the other video which I have.
Ma'am, I'm writing. Can you show that page?
Yes, I'll just show. Just let me stop this for the time. No. Then we'll see this. Ultraviolet and infrared. But you can write. Okay. Right. Once you've finished, let me know. How come only you have come today? We'll just quickly finish the chapter and we'll finish this topic and then we'll close the class. See, people who don't come, they miss so much, right?
Yes.
So this is called Vibgyor. White light is made up of all these 7 colors.
Yes.
If you reverse it also, you can say ROYGBIV, but you can't actually remember this as a word. That's why we normally call it Vibgyor. It's easier to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, even the rainbow has all these 7 colors. Do you see the rainbow in the sky sometimes?
Yes.
So it has all these 7 colors.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we go to the video?
Ma'am, please 2 minutes.
Okay.
Light waves. Ma'am, light waves are in color white, no?
Yes. Their color is white, light waves which come from the sun, right? They look white only.
Yes.
But white actually consists of these 7 colors.
Okay. White.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red.
Yes. G for green, Y for yellow,
O for orange
O for orange,
and R for
R for done, ma'am.
Yes, good. So now we'll just watch this video for a little while, okay? Ultraviolet and infrared, because these were the options given to you. That's why I wanted to explain to you.
Among the many kinds of light rays, there's one called ultraviolet.
So beyond the violet is ultraviolet.
And when you're thinking of this light ray, here's one thing you should not forget.
What shouldn't you forget?
Ultraviolet rays are important in fluorescent lights, and they also cause sunburn.
Okay, so when you go out in the sun and you get a sunburn, if your skin burns, that is because of which light?
Ultraviolet.
Yes. So that is why you get creams, also sunscreen lotions which have ultraviolet, which screen off the ultraviolet so that your skin doesn't burn. Okay? And in fluorescent lights also, which light do you use? Ultraviolet. So that you should remember.
Among the many kinds of light rays, there's also one called infrared.
Below the
And
red.
when you're thinking of this light ray,
Infrared rays are very useful in broiling food and for heating.
So what are they used for?
Ultraviolet and infrared.
So what are they used for? Heating.
Heating.
Okay. So which, in addition to that, now are ultraviolet rays used then in the microwaves? Because microwave ovens also heat.
Yes.
No, there are some other waves called microwaves also. Okay, so we'll see that also.
Ultraviolet and infrared. Among the many kinds of light rays, there are ultraviolet and infrared.
And what are the others?
The spectrum of visible light ranges from red to violet. On one side of the spectrum are the infrared rays. On the other side are the ultraviolet rays. These are a small part of a much larger spectrum of electromagnetic waves. The complete
See,
spectrum
now-
of electromagnetic
Now you see. So this is ultraviolet, infrared. Now look at the entire. There are radio waves, there are microwaves, there are X-rays, there are gamma waves. Okay? So all these are waves which we are getting on our planet from different stars, from the space. Okay? And all these waves we cannot see, but they are used for different purposes. Like X-rays, if you break a arm, what do? You go and get an X-ray to see whether a bone is broken or not. You know that? Yes, Yukti? Are you aware of that? Arey, I can't hear you, bete.
What, ma'am?
I said supposing somebody breaks a leg, somebody falls down and he cannot move and he has a lot of pain in the leg, then what do? You ask him to go to the doctor, and the doctor says you go and get an X-ray done, right? So
Yes.
so what does the X-ray help in? It takes a picture and it lets us know whether the bone is broken or not broken.
Yes.
So every ray has a different purpose. So these are the different kinds of waves. Microwaves, radio waves. Visible rays are which one? The white light. Right?
Now visible rays means
waves,
ultraviolet
No.
and not.
No. Visible is the white light which we can see. That is the visible. Okay? And below
Yes.
the visible, below red is the infrared which we cannot see. Ultraviolet which we cannot see. Okay? And then beyond the ultraviolet, wait, let me make it smaller and then I can mark it with a pen. And beyond the ultraviolet here, see, this is the spectrum. This is white light, visible light. So this is the light which we can see, visible. They've shown the eye here. So this is Vibgyor, Vibgyor. So after red, what do we have? Infrared. After violet on this side, what do you have? Ultraviolet. Okay? Then beyond the ultraviolet, what rays are there? X-rays. Beyond that, what rays are there? Gamma rays. Okay? Beyond infrared, what do you have? Microwave. So infrared also gives heat, but microwave gives us more heat and it cooks faster. Okay? So we have microwaves. Then we have, when we listen to the radios, those are radio waves. Okay? So this is the entire spectrum. Yes? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us listen to what the song is saying.
ranges from radio and TV waves through infrared to light, ultraviolet, and then to X-rays, gamma rays, and cosmic rays at the opposite end.
Ultraviolet and infrared. Ultraviolet and infrared. Among the many kinds of light rays, there are ultraviolet and infrared.
Okay, so did you like this song?
Yes, ma'am.
So you understood now? It made it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just assignment number 18. This much is enough for you for the time being. This is just, I've given the topic as GK. So just general knowledge for you. Okay? You can go through it again and write down about all the waves. And now what you can do is one more small thing. One more thing you will do. Do you remember this?
Yes.
Do you remember the snake charmers story?
Yes.
So we will do what? We will do a quiz on that. Let others not be there, doesn't matter. And next time we will start a new chapter. Okay? So let us revise snake charmers story also today. Like we did last time. #019.
Ma'am, we have to write also.
First just attempt, go to the classroom, attempt the snake charmers quiz, and then you have to write like you did last time.
Ma'am, till I am attempting, please write that snake charmers quiz.
Till then I should write? No. Okay, I'll try and write. Chalo. Okay, you attempt. I'll write. So this is the revision, okay? And I'll write down all the questions. Nag Ghumpan designs are used in Rangoli and embroidery. Belongs to the state of. So I'll write in short. Nag Ghumpan designs used in Rangoli belong to the state of. I'll not repeat the sound. The answer I will not repeat yet. Number 2.
Sheets kayıp yani.
Types of poisonous snakes in India are. You remember all? Number 3. The teeth of snakes are called the medicine for snake bite is prepared from Number 5. Do you remember everything, Yukti?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Dash dance has movements similar to snake. Let me stop sharing and then keep writing. Number 6. Snakes are farmers' friends because Number 7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
prohibit.
Prohibit means to stop.
Okay.
Organization working for the welfare of animals is Number 8. Law for protecting animals prohibits and third now third page, let me see. Have you done, Yukti? How many marks did you get? Kanjari is made from
Ma'am, I've done.
very good. Full marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You remember everything. Excellent.
Yes, ma'am. First attempt only.
So this was easy. So this chapter, which means we did very well.
Yes, ma'am.
So number 10 is, I have written also, Kalbelia is a Rajasthan folk dance or folk dance from Rajasthan. Very good. Let me just check the responses. Okay, the 12th one I've got. Last one I have to see now. Here. First attempt. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Do you remember the names of the 4 poisonous animals?
Animals or snake, ma'am?
Snakes.
Yes.
Which one? Tell me the names. Tell me the names of the 4.
Ma'am, Russell Viper.
Yes.
Sawscale.
Sawscale viper.
Sawscale Viper. Common crate.
Common crate and
Sawscale, Russell Viper. Common crate and
cobra you didn't say, or cobra you said?
ma'am, I have not said cobra.
Okay. So which are the
Cobra, Sawscale, Russell Viper and Common crate.
Yes, very good. Excellent. So you remember everything. Well done. So today's class, next time we will start a new chapter which is about walls tell stories. It is because Harshal had also said that we should talk about different places and what they are famous for, and there is a chapter in the course on that. about India. So we'll do additionally we'll do for some 10 places all around the world, but we'll do that chapter also. Next time we'll
Okay,
start that.
ma'am, that you have written now when I was attempting the
Yes, yes.
please send that.
Yes, I will send that. Then you also write, okay? And submit it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.